Okay, just finished the maiden run of the Neil Pride Special shrimp boat, and I ran it without the turn fin. I took out the turn fin because it was porpoising too much earlier, so no turn fin connected. Let's see what the maximum speed was. Oh, I think that's nice. Maximum speed attained was, hirap iputin 66 kilometers per hour maximum. That's it. Right. 66.6 maximum so far for the Neil Pride Special. Okay, we'll see a little later as we try out a fresh battery. Okay, recording the second run of the Neil Pride Special, ang aking shrimp boat. And tignan muna natin ang kanyang performance. TX voltage 4.03. Voltage on board is 12.5 volts. That's a 3S pack. And tignan natin RPM. 33,500 RPM. Okay. Ulan. Kailangan ng salamin. Okay, second run. Kanina trimming run, pumalo siya na 66 kilometers per hour. Ngayon, pwede siguro i-ataw ko kasi nakatrim na siya.
Salbahe.
Thank you.
Kulay na BMW. Oo, recording ako kit wala pa
Okay. Manisuni ko ang pilot. Ano pa lang yan 3S pa lang yan. May naka-standby na 4S. Paubos na battery niyan. Teka muna. Pause ka muna. Tignan mo kung anong baterya. Sige. 10.8. Konti pa. Pwede pa. Siguro mga 4 laps pa yan pwede. Kahit walang turn fin, no? Palagay ko masyadong malaki yung turn fin na linagay ko. Lilitan ko. Tapos gagawin kong tuwid. Tapos carbon na. Bagal na. Salbahe. Speedrun ako, tapos si Manny naglaro. Maximum speed is 78.5 kilometers per hour. 3S pa lang yan. Manny, meron tayong 4S dito.
po, ayun na.
Okay. Shrimp boat with 4S this time. Tignan natin ang top speed. GPS nasa labas na sa laki ng baterya ka.
Nag-go Sebi.
Discharge rate ng baterya 4S.
Shoot.
Okay. Dire-diretso video. Tignan natin yung GPS.
Maganda pa yung ano.
Ito na, the moment of truth. 78.5 lang.
Ilan ba kanina?
Ganon din, 78.5. Parang hindi siya nag-record.
Oh.
Baka dahil kasi nakabaliktad.
For possible.
Shrimp boat with 4S 120C discharge rate. Pero inalis na namin ang GPS kasi naging nose heavy masyado. Ngayon, without nose weight, maganda na ang CG niya and ito na ang performance. Tapusin mo na.
Nakatakot eh.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Ano, anticipate lang. Puro right turn lang talaga. Nagkakabitate siya eh, no?